we added cayenne pepper, salt, garlic powder, black pepper, paprika. We're going to use 3/4 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1/4 tablespoon of baking soda, 1/4 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Okay, so we're going to add our flour, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. You're going to add your 1/4 baking soda. You're going to add 1/4 baking powder. You're also going to add 1/4 of salt, 3/4 cups of water. Okay, your batter should look like this. Then I'm just cutting potatoes for French fries. That's what my fries look like. So once I'm done cutting fries, I'm gonna give them an ice bath. All right, so for our chicken, we're gonna season it the same way with these same spices. Salt, black pepper, paprika, cayenne pepper, onion powder, and garlic. We're gonna slice these chicken breasts and get it ready. All right, so we're just gonna cut this into some strips so we can batter them. After we season them, they're gonna be like this. Just fat off. And then we're gonna cut this the same. So when you're done, this is what you wanna look at. Something like that. And we're just gonna season them. Got our cayenne, got our paprika, got our onion powder, got our garlic powder, and we got our pepper. Okay, so we got our French fries. We just wanna strain them. Now that we got our French fries strained, we're gonna just boil these for a second. All right, so we're just gonna put some fries in the water. Just let these boil for like 2 or 3 minutes. Actually, I'm just dump the whole thing in there. Once they get back to a boil, we're gonna take them out because they only need a few seconds. This helps the frying process. All right, they're starting to boil. We're gonna take them out. We're just gonna give them a strain. And we're gonna run some cold water over them to get them cool. All right, so when you got the fries cool back down, you just wanna let them strain. Let them sit for about 10 minutes, 5-10 minutes, let the water drain out completely because you want your fries to be dry. And you can see how they become kind of translucent a little. Okay, so we're gonna take our chicken and we're gonna start battering it and get it fried. Let's see that part. And this is, keep your fire on medium. This is my knockoff Red Lobster batter. I mean, not Red Lobster, but Long John Silver's batter. And we're gonna use the same batter for the shrimp that we have. And the shrimp is seasoned the same as the chicken. All right, so we have our shrimp cooking now. We completed all of our chicken. It's all battered, cooked. And we're just gonna let these finish cooking. Let's get a peek at one of them. All right, so that's our shrimp. Okay, to the same way, I'm gonna start adding our fries. I just wanted to let it get back up to temperature. Okay, so we got our chicken and our shrimp. We're just gonna wait for our French fries and we'll have fries, shrimp, and chicken. Fries are cooking. Here are some that are completed already. All right, so you got your shrimp and your chicken. Just got your French fries, and you are all set. Try this, guys. You're gonna like it. I recommend it. French fries, chicken, and shrimp.